Joining us in the studio today, we have CW from the Leer Group, and today we're going to be talking about the MR400 rack system from Pace Edwards by Leer.
Hi, Allie. Thanks for having us. We have developed the MR400. This is a 400-pound capacity rack. It's designed specifically for the overland adventure person. You can put tents, shown here. You can put platforms, anything you want. The reason we made it a little bit taller than a lot of the other racks because it does not impede your visibility driving down the road. You don't have to worry about looking at your side mirrors all the time. You can look out the rearview mirror. You're not obstructing your visibility. Another reason made it just a little bit taller is that you can reach inside and get your valuables out, check your cargo. Because there's a lot of racks on the market. A lot of them just go over the side, put stuff around the side, but you still cannot protect your cargo on the inside. You put on a Pace Edwards Ultra Group product, your product is covered all the time, yet you still have accessibility for your tent.
Awesome, and the 400 does stand for 400-pound capacity.
You know, going down the road, yes it does. Sitting there, pop up a tent, you can put 700 pounds on top of it, including the tent or your platform. The uprights are powder-coated steel, manufactured at Pace Edwards. Then we have the strong aluminum bars that will carry the 400-pound capacity. So it's a very strong rack, with a multitude of things on the top also.
What kind of features and benefits does this rack have?
This rack has 4 tie downs, one in each corner. These are also reversible, so you can tie it down, strap stuff down the inside. But there's also a T-slot on the top for putting Yakima, Thule, and Rhino rack products as well, not just for overland, but there's a multitude of uses, lumber, whatever you want to put up there.
So how do I put this on my truck?
Allie, it's very simple. If I can do it, you can do it. There's a protective plastic base to keep from marring up the surface. There's 2 bolt holes in each upright. It's got a carriage bolt that just slips into the T-channel, and it's got a washer and lock nut. Just put them in, space it where you need to, tighten them down, slide your bars in. There's bolts, the bolts slide into the channels on the bars, lock nut, washer, tighten it down. You're ready to roll.
Sounds pretty simple.
You're ready to do some off-road adventure. This has been static tested, well over 1,000 pounds. We have our own testing equipment, and it's all certified.
If you're interested in purchasing the MR400 rack system by Pace Edwards from Leer, check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos every week. CW, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.